In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your idle air control valve on your Ford Taurus. It's located under the hood near the intake. Using an 8mm socket or wrench, you're going to disconnect your negative battery terminal. Loosen it, and then put it off to the side. Make sure it's not touching any metal. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is disconnect your connector by pushing in and pulling. Just set that off to the side. Now we're going to use an 8mm socket, and we're going to undo these two bolts. Okay, so now I'm looking at our gasket here, and if it's intact and there's no tears in it, you can go ahead and reuse that. If it's not, if it's got tears, if it looks like it's falling apart, you're going to want to replace it. So now we're going to place our part on top, and we're going to start our bolts by hand. Okay, using an 8mm and a torque wrench, we're going to torque this to 89 inch-pounds. We'll usually double check. Good. After you're done torquing, you can connect your connector by pushing it on. Once you hear that click, you know you're in. You're going to take your negative battery terminal and put it on. Push it down. And use an 8mm socket. And tighten it wrist tight. Make sure it's not moving. Now you can start your car and take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.